Ever wondered how to find cheap flights? Buckle up, we're about to spill the secrets. Welcome to our deep dive into the art of securing affordable airfare, an often overlooked skill that can save you serious bucks. We'll explore the magic behind airfares, the power of VPNs, and the trick of flexing your travel dates and destinations. Uncover the hidden gems of lesser-known flight aggregators and learn how to maximize layovers. Ready to make your wallet happier? Stay tuned. First on the list, airfares. Yes, you heard it right, mistakes can be a boon. Now you might be wondering what these airfares are. Simply put, they are ridiculously low prices for flights that occur due to a glitch, a human error, or even currency conversion mishaps. They're the golden tickets of air travel, offering you the opportunity to travel at a fraction of the regular price. But how do you find these elusive airfares? They're not just lying around on your regular booking sites. Your best bet is to use specialized websites or alert services that track these fares. Some of these services even allow you to set up notifications, so you'll be the first to know when an airfare pops up. However, there's a catch. These fares are fleeting. They come and go in the blink of an eye, because once airlines realize the mistake, they correct it promptly. So when you spot an airfare, don't hesitate. Book it right away. Remember, act fast when you spot an airfare. They disappear as quickly as they appear. Moving on to the next hack, VPNs. Not just for privacy, but for cheaper flights too. Now you might be wondering, how does a virtual private network, or VPN, help you save on travel expenses? Well, the answer lies in the world of dynamic pricing. This is where airlines and online travel agencies change ticket prices based on your location. So, by using a VPN to change your virtual location, you can unlock cheaper flight prices that are available in other regions. Imagine this, you're in New York and you're looking for a flight to Paris, but the prices seem too steep. Now switch on your VPN, change your location to, let's say, India, and voila. You might just find that the same flight is available at a significantly lower cost. It's like magic, but it's actually technology. This process, while simple, can potentially save you hundreds of dollars on your travel. It's a tool that can turn the entire globe into your marketplace, allowing you to pick and choose from where you want to buy your tickets. So next time, before you search for a flight, switch on that VPN. Now let's talk flexibility. Being flexible with your travel dates and destinations can save you a lot. You see, airlines often vary their prices based on demand. So, if you're not rigid with your travel dates, you can take advantage of off-peak times when flights are less in demand and hence, cheaper. Now you might be wondering, how do I find these golden opportunities? Well, there are several flight aggregators that can be your best allies. Momondo, Skyscanner, Google Flights and Rome2Rio are some of the key players in this field. They offer features like flexible date options and price tracking, which are your keys to unlocking those cost-saving deals. Flexible date options allow you to see prices for a range of dates, so you can easily spot when it's cheapest to fly. You can choose to depart a few days earlier or later than your original plan, and voila, you've saved a chunk on your airfare. Price tracking, on the other hand, is like having a diligent assistant who keeps an eye on flight prices for you. Once you've set your desired route, these platforms will notify you when the prices drop. And let's not forget about being flexible with your destinations. If you're open to exploring different places, you can find some real gems that are not only beautiful, but also light on the pocket. You might start with a plan to visit Paris, but end up discovering the rustic charm of a lesser-known French town that stole your heart and saved your wallet. So why not explore the road less traveled and let the journey surprise you? Remember, the world is vast and beautiful. Being open to new destinations might just lead you to your new favorite place. Next up, the secret weapon, incognito mode. It's not just for private browsing, but for cheaper flights too. You see, websites often use cookies to track your searches, and if you've been searching for the same flight repeatedly, you might notice a sudden increase in price. This is because many websites use dynamic pricing. This means the more interest shown in a particular flight, the higher the price goes. But don't worry, there's a way around this. Enter the incognito mode. By using this feature on your browser, you can prevent these websites from tracking your searches. It's like going undercover in the world of flight bookings. So next time, before you start your search, switch to incognito mode. It's a simple and effective way to potentially save on your flight bookings. Just remember, every time you restart your search, make sure to open a new incognito window. The The previous one might have already stored some information. So remember, go undercover with incognito mode when booking your next flight. It's a small step that could lead to big savings. After all, every penny counts when it comes to traveling on a budget. Before we wrap up, here's a reminder. Always keep an eye out for deals and discounts. The world of travel is filled with opportunities for the savvy and the decisive. The secrets to affordable flights aren't so secret, but they require a proactive approach. Dive into the realm of airfares, embrace the power of VPNs, and play around with your travel dates and destinations. Explore the lesser-known flight aggregators and set alerts for price changes. Remember, flexibility and vigilance are your friends in this journey. The knowledge you've gained today isn't just about saving a few bucks. It's about unlocking the world, about making travel a more frequent and accessible part of your life. So, go ahead, apply these hacks and see the difference they make. And that's it. With these hacks, you're on your way to snagging the best flight deals. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and try out these flight hacks. Safe travels.